Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Toss your fries with cornstarch. Cornstarch is the key ingredient for crispy sweet potato fries. The cornstarch will absorb extra moisture from the sweet potatoes to help them get crispy as they bake. I've tested this recipe with and without the cornstarch, and the cornstarch coating really does make a difference. The 6th of February 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
So, if you order the sweet potato fries, you get 20 fewer calories and 10 grams fewer carbs, but 3 grams more fat and 150 milligrams more sodium. Instead of fast food sweet potato fries, frozen sweet potato fries are a healthier option. 25 September 2012.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They are good with just about anything. I love baked sweet potatoes with a juicy steak, shrimp and a salad. Sweet potatoes are great with any kind of pork. A meal of pork chops, fried apples and baked sweet potatoes served like baked potatoes is one of my favorites. 15 September 2006.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sweet potato fries are slightly higher in calories and carbs but also more nutrient-dense than French fries. The greatest nutrient difference is that French fries have no vitamin A, while sweet potato fries are high in this nutrient. Vitamin A is important for your vision and immune system. 2.8 February 2019.
Take our lead.
Don't overcrowd your baking sheet. The secret to crispy, instead of soggy, sweet potato fries is to spread them out in an even layer with enough room so that they don't touch. If they're all crammed onto one pan, they'll steam instead of bake, and you'll end up with soggy fries. 14 March 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.